If you're familiar with WordPress page builders, then most likely you've heard of Elementor. But what about Elementor One? Think about all the intricate and complex moving parts to building and managing sites with WordPress. It can be very frustrating and expensive managing different themes, plugins, and connected tools, even if you just run one website. Then the sheer frustration multiplies if you run an agency or manage many sites. I know because I experienced this when building my web design agency over a 7-year period with WordPress. This is where Elementor One fits in. This centralized AI-driven bundle provides everything you need and offers a unified building experience for WordPress sites, ideal for both individuals and agencies. However, today my focus is on how agencies can leverage Elementor One. I'll walk through all the unified AI tools and features that you as an agency can access as your go-to all-in-one WordPress building solution. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and launch into Elementor One. Okay, so here we are on Elementor's website. Now, before we dive in and navigate through Elementor One, what exactly are we going to cover today? Well, first I'll share the key differences between Elementor Pro and Elementor One, then break down the new credit system. Following this, we will install Elementor One and dive into managing multiple websites as an agency. Then we will navigate through key Elementor One tools. Also, throughout this guide, I will share relevant resources and tutorials. All right, with that covered, let's get into it. Now, if you're looking to follow along with this tutorial and to get started with Elementor One, simply head over to your browser and type in elementor.com or click on the first link in the description below this video, and that's going to take you here. Then navigate over to See Plans. And that's going to take you to Elementor's current plans. We have Elementor Pro plans here, and then Elementor One. Now let's quickly break down the difference between Elementor One and Elementor Pro. Basically, Elementor Pro is a premium drag and drop page builder for WordPress, giving you full control over the design and functionality of your website. On the other hand, we have Elementor One, which offers a unified experience that contains Elementor Pro and their other powerful plugins and tools. This includes their image optimizer, accessibility tool, Agentic AI, and more. Basically, the idea with Elementor One is you get access to many of Elementor's powerful tools under one plan. This means you do not need to pay for separate subscriptions for different Elementor tools. Also, you have full control over what plugins, tools, and functions you want to use with something called shared credits. As an Elementor One user, you now get a shared pool of monthly credits. This means you can choose to spend these credits on the tools and features that you want to use across your account. For example, one month you might use many of your credits on image optimization and accessibility fixes. However, the next month, you might allocate more credits to actually building your website by generating code, content, and text. Essentially, this new credit system allows you to allocate credits based on your current project requirements. It looks like Elementor is changing their positioning slightly, shifting its focus to more professional website users, seemingly those that have web design experience and build sites for clients. Hence why I want to focus on Elementor One for agencies, those that are looking for a website builder, a unified building experience for building client websites. Okay, let's move on to the exciting stuff and actually dive into Elementor One. To do that, we have two options for accessing Elementor One. The first is this plan, if you're looking to leverage Elementor One for just yourself. And the other option, which we're going to focus on today, is building for clients. If we navigate down here, we can leverage one agency across unlimited sites. You can see the number of shared credits we have access to down here, as well as tools and features we have access to for building our client sites. And I'll dive into these shortly and share how your agency can leverage all of these tools under one plan rather than trying to manage multiple subscriptions. Now, I just want to point out you can follow along with this tutorial even if you're using an individual account and you do not run an agency. Okay, so I'm going to quickly sign up and then I'll meet you inside my Elementor One account. Okay, so I've gone ahead and purchased Elementor One. The next thing we need to do is download the zip file. Then what we need to do is jump over to our WordPress backend, either your WordPress website that you want to use or your clients. Okay, so here I am in the back end of a WordPress website. Now, just quickly, if you currently do not have WordPress set up, then you can quickly do this with a WordPress web host provider. My top two recommendations are Hostinger and Bluehost. If you want to get started or learn more about each of these WordPress web hosting providers, I will add relevant details down below in the description. Now, before we upload the Elementor One zip file that we downloaded from Elementor, we first need Elementor on our website. As you can see, I've already installed the Elementor plugin. If you haven't done this, simply navigate down to Plugins, Add Plugin, and then locate Elementor. And if you haven't done so yet, simply navigate down here, install now, and activate this plugin. Most likely you've already got Elementor installed and you're familiar with this page builder. For those of you that are completely new to Elementor, then I will add a dedicated tutorial down below in the description, which will dive deeper into actually using Elementor's page builder. Okay, so once you've installed this Elementor plugin, navigate up to Upload Plugin and upload the zip file that we downloaded earlier. And hit Install Now. Then click on Activate Plugin. Now we need to connect and activate. Connect and continue, and then come down and click on Let's Start. And that's going to take you here. And these are all the additional tools that we have access inside of Elementor One. If there's any of these you don't want to use, you can always deselect, and that tool will not be installed. We're going to install all of these and navigate through them. We need to give Elementor a moment to install all of these tools. If we navigate over to all, these are all the different tools we can access. Now you'll notice that Elementor is nicely positioned here. If we click on Elementor, you can quickly access many of Elementor's built-in tools here. Now as an agency, we want a centralized place to manage all our websites. Elementor One offers this through site management. Let's go ahead and click open. And that will take us directly inside our Elementor dashboard. This is where we can manage all our connected sites. That will take us straight to the overview for this specific site that we have connected. Again, I like this as this is a centralized place where you can manage all your client sites. Down here, we have an overview of this account. If we navigate to this drop down, we can select a different site that we have connected. Now for the purpose of this Elementor One tutorial, I've gone ahead and connected another account. This is another example client website. If I click here, I can then jump to the overview of this specific account. Okay, so I'm going to jump back to this account here. We have updates, allowing you to manage plugins, themes, and WordPress updates for this account. And then we have access to other site management tools here. However, what we want to do is jump back over to all sites, and this is where we can preview all our managed sites. If we navigate over to these three dots, we can quickly jump into the WordPress backend of each of these accounts. You can see Elementor makes it incredibly easy to manage all your client sites. Now, I also want to mention priority support. This is where you can quickly jump into any of these channels for quickly accessing dedicated support. Whenever you need it, just jump into your priority support inside your Elementor dashboard. Now, if you were to connect another client site and you can't find the zip file that you downloaded earlier, simply navigate over to the far right-hand side, then simply upload and install this file in the WordPress account you want to connect with Elementor. Okay, let's jump out of this and jump back into the back end of our WordPress account for this client. Then click on Elementor and jump into the site planner. Now, this is a powerful AI tool that you have access to inside of Elementor One. Basically, you can leverage AI to generate a site map and wireframes in seconds for your website. The idea of the site planner is to speed up your design process. For example, let's navigate over to Start with AI Chat. And here we just need to answer a few questions about our website. Take your time to answer these questions as detailed as possible. The more details you add, the better the output. I'm going to quickly speed through this now. What is the site's name? Okay, so what is the business type for Cine Design? Now we can also upload files that are relevant to our answer. I'm just going to add this keyword here. Then I'm going to quickly add what this business does. Here we need to add the products or services that we sell. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to select here. Let's add the primary goals of this website. Hit enter, add your secondary goals, add a list of pages. And just like that, after answering a bunch of questions, I'm ready to generate a sitemap and wireframes for this site. Click on Use this brief. And just like that, the sitemap has been generated. Let's go ahead and zoom in and read through the site map. To make changes, simply click on the content and add your changes. Then jump over to wireframe. And just like that, AI has generated the wireframe for this site. Again, take your time to preview each of the different pages, as well as the sections within each of the pages. Now you can delete the sections you don't want. You can also preview what your wireframe looks like across different devices. And again, zoom in if you need to. You want to take a bit of time here, but remember we can customize this on the front end using Elementor. Okay, let's jump up here, back to desktop and zoom out. Now, if we navigate over to styles, you can make some basic style changes. However, again, like I mentioned, it's better to leave this as it is. And if you're somewhat happy, create the website and edit this on the front end using the page builder. For now, let's go ahead and click on Create Website and click on Import your kit to site and continue. And click on Run Check. Approve and connect. Then in order for this to work, you do need to approve the connection between your site and Elementor. Then when you see all these green ticks, go ahead and click on Apply Kit. Give Elementor a moment. Then just like that, your site is ready. Go ahead and click on Go to Website. And just like that, the site kit that we imported from the site planner has been installed successfully. As you can see, this is a great way to quickly build websites for your clients. And then you can simply enable Elementor to further customize your website pages. Now, it's important to note that this AI Site Planner tool works best with the theme called Hello, and you'll be prompted to install this to avoid formatting issues with the site kit. All right, let's navigate back over to our WordPress dashboard. Navigate down to Exit to WordPress, and again, now I'm excited about this next AI tool that you have access to inside of Elementor One. This is called Angie. Simply click here. This is essentially your personal AI-powered WordPress developer. Anything that you want to create for your WordPress website, you can do with Angie. For example, let's come down, click on Agree, Sign In. Think about what you want to build on your website. Is it a custom widget, a snippet to embed inside your WordPress admin, on-page web apps, or sections on your website? For example, if we navigate down here, we're currently working on the home page. Now what we can do is ask Angie to build something for us on our homepage. I'm going to try this. Create a hero image section that is blurred. However, when the user's cursor hovers over the image, a medium area becomes clear where the cursor is. Okay, let's give this a go. Then we can go ahead and refine this prompt. I'm going to leave it as it is and click on create. Okay, so we've got test mode turned on and you can see what's already here, saved as a reusable snippet and available in Angie's widgets. Let's click on publish to go live. Okay, so it's currently live. Let's jump over to the Elementor editor and find this widget. I'm going to do that now. Edit with Elementor. Okay, so we've enabled Elementor. You can see we have widgets here and locate Angie widgets. And here we have the widget that we just created with AI. Now I'm first going to jump up here, click on this section, add a container, and then navigate up to this plus again and drag this over here. Okay, now let's remove this hero section here by clicking X, and let's add an image and then upload an image. I'll use this Design Studio image and click on select. And just like that, Angie has generated the widget I wanted. This is a hero image for my home page that is blurred, but when the user hovers over the image, it then becomes clear. I'm super happy with that. Let's try another example. Okay, let's give this a go. Create an interactive pricing calculator for our workshops. Prices start at $135 per person, max 100 participants per workshop. For every 15 people, there should be an extra 10% discount. Weekends are 1.5 times the prices as regular days. Allow the user to be able to download the pricing result as a PDF. Hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, what's ready, saved as a reusable snippet in WordPress, available in Angie's widgets. Changes here won't go live unless you approve. Okay, let's come down and reload. And let's locate a spot we want to add this. I'm going to come here, click add, and then locate the widget. Under Angie widgets, here's the workshop pricing calculator, drag and drop. And then here we have the settings for this widget. We have the pricing, weekend multiplier, discount step per people, 15, the discount itself, and max participants. This is exactly what I asked. I'm happy with that. Let's minimize this and test this out with a preview. Navigate down. I'm going to add 15, the number of participants for this workshop. Select the day. Let's try this Friday. And you can see the price here. Now, if I change this to, let's say, Saturday, you can see the price is increased due to the weekend surcharge. We can then make further changes to this widget. Then let's click on Download Quote PDF and open up the downloaded quote. And how cool is that? With Angie AI, we just created a powerful interactive pricing form with a single prompt. And you can save these widgets and use them across all your different sites. When you're ready, you can publish to live and then just reload the page. Now to disable the test mode, simply come down and then click on Exit Test Mode. Okay, let's return to our WordPress dashboard. Now, if you want the support from Agentic AI from Angie, simply click here. Now, you can also navigate over to your front end of your website and let's click on Edit with Elementor. Hey guys, just quickly, did you know that over 90% of you that enjoy our free educational content have not yet subscribed? It would mean a lot to me if you drop a comment or hit subscribe if you love what I'm creating. This helps us grow the channel and motivates me to create bigger and more impactful tutorials for you to consume for free. Okay, so with that happy note, thank you in advance, and let's get back to the video. As I mentioned earlier, Elementor is leaning heavily towards AI. Many of the tools that you have access to allow you to supercharge your web design through AI. Again, with Angie, we can also navigate up here, click Angie, and that will allow you to start using Angie. Now the AI is also integrated directly inside your page builder. So if you were to customize any content, you can leverage AI to help generate content for you. So if you're adding a description, simply add a prompt or leverage AI to help you simplify, expand, shorten, or improve the grammar of your content. Let's close out of this. Even images. Let's navigate over here, drag this image and place that in here. We can leverage AI to generate images for us. Simply add your prompt and away you go. And again, when you make any changes, simply click on Publish. Okay, let's jump back into our WordPress backend and let's quickly touch on the editor. Again, down here, we can launch your site with AI. As I showed you before, you can chat with AI directly from this interface and generate a sitemap and wireframes in minutes. Now, if we navigate over to code and click on new code, if you're a web developer within your agency, or you're just an individual working on your own project and you have experience with code, you can also leverage AI to help generate code for you. Okay, let's jump back over to home and navigate down to image optimization. Click on open. This tool allows you to quickly optimize your images across your site. Here we can see this site has 105 total images and 7 of these are not optimized. Here we can see the space saved. Now down here we have image optimization settings that we can play around with. For example, for this site, I want to automatically optimize new uploads, and everything else we can leave as default. Now if we navigate over to bulk optimization, we can optimize all images left in our library with one click, and those images will be optimized. Give this Elementor tool a moment to load, and as you can see now we have all our image optimized, and an example is this logo image here. The original size was 361 kilobytes, and now it's been compressed to 227. And here we can see the optimization level. This is a great way to quickly speed up your client's sites. All right, let's jump back over to Elementor and navigate over to accessibility. Click on open. And again, you can jump between these different optimization tools on the left-hand side under Elementor. Now, this included accessibility tool inside of Elementor One allows you to quickly identify accessibility issues across your site. And then the AI dives in and fixes these for you. For example, let's scan our home page. And that will take us to our site. You can see 43 issues have been found, and we can dive into those issues here. We have 2 issues under page structure and navigation, 40 issues under color contrast, and 10 issues under heading structure. And you can see all these here. Now, if I click on one of these issues, you can identify the exact issue. More than one H1 tag is missing. So this is a structural issue with my headings. I can make changes here and apply that fix manually. And we can manually make those changes. If we navigate back and click on page structure and navigation again and click on one of these issues, content sections regions must have a clear unique label. We can let AI resolve this for us. Now, depending on the issue, we can navigate down here and apply across scans, apply to all. Again, let AI resolve this for you and apply fix. Let's click on color contrast and adjust the text or background lightness until we're at a good level. And again, come down and click on apply fix. And again, you take the time with each of your issues. If we click on manage fixes, here you can see all your active fixes. Then if we navigate down to this accessibility widget, this is what your users have access to, and improve the readability based on their requirements, based on their preferences. They can highlight links, for example, pause animation, grayscale, and more to improve the user's navigation and accessibility. Okay, let's close out of this. And we can also navigate over to Accessibility Assistant and run a current scan. All right, let's jump back over to our dashboard and click on Email Deliverability. This is another tool that you have access to inside of Elementor One that automatically improves the email readability by acting as a SMTP replacement. Essentially, you can monitor and track emails being sent from your website. So as an agency managing your client's websites, you can identify if your client has email deliverability issues from this interface. There are many tools that you can access inside of Elementor One. Again, Elementor One is a unified experience to building websites. You get Elementor Pro, as well as all the tools we've talked about today. Each of these, especially if you run an agency, are ideal for building and managing your clients' websites. Again, with tools like the Site Planner, Site Management, Angie, Image Optimization, and the Accessibility tool, you do not need to pay for multiple tools and subscriptions. As an agency, you have all of these tools in one place. This is where I believe Elementor One is going to be a complete game changer. It's early stages and they have a lot more tools and AI stuff coming. So again, if you run an agency and you're familiar with Elementor, or even if you're thinking of switching to Elementor as your main website builder, then Elementor One I believe is a great choice for those looking to put in the right web design systems when it comes to building and managing a growing portfolio of client accounts. Again, if you're ready to launch into Elementor One to test it out yourself, I will add a link in the description below this video. Also, if you want to dive deeper into Elementor Pro and how you can actually build your website pages, I will add the relevant tutorials down below in the description. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this complete Elementor One overview and tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about Elementor One, make sure to pop those down below in the comments. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.